We're at the Enova DGX Smart Scale booth, and we're actually showing a couple of really important things about how Enova DGX simplifies and solves a couple of the biggest issues traditionally associated with HDMI and HDCP and really digital video distribution for the market space today. Don't tell anybody, but what I'm about to tell you is something that I call the dirty little secret of the AV industry. It's the issue that comes up when we have lots of different displays and source devices that need to send video to all those displays. It's an issue called source and display resolution incompatibilities. Now, very rarely do we ever end up in a scenario where every single display is exactly the same. In fact, what we see here with lots of different displays with different resolutions is more oftentimes the case. It's a challenge to get a single source of video content to every single display. Other manufacturers use something called EDID management or EDID programming to use something called greatest common resolution, where they end up forcing source devices to lower resolutions. Well, that just means customers are going to end up paying a lot of money for a digital video distribution only to have their source devices turned down to resolutions that you might have seen back in 1988. At AMX, we think the exact opposite is what we should be doing. We should be turning source devices all the way up, so that when a computer at a 1920 by 1200 is sent to this display, which can accept that, it looks great. But we're also able to send it to every other display simultaneously because of something called smart scale technology. We're actively scaling every single output on the Enova DGX, Enova DVX, with this technology to a custom scaling parameter to every display, so that every display always looks its best. There's something to think about again. When you hear that EDID management, all that means is that they're turning source devices down so that you can see video on displays. And that's just sad. What we should be doing is turning source devices up and using smart scale on every output. It's so important to us that at AMX that we've included it on every Enova product output. In fact, you can't even choose it as an option. It's part of the overall offering. And it's there because it's an integral part to ensuring that really digital is as easy as analog, but more importantly that customers end up with the best solution that they deserve. And that's just one of the many, many things that Enova DGX can do. There's also stuff Instigate Pro, DX Link, all of these solutions are making Enova DGX the best solution for digital video distribution. So we're looking forward to talking to you again. Until next time, thanks so much.